So we're on to our final bit of factorising here, and this is probably the toughest one, but it's very easy as long as you practice a very safe method, and I love this method. So first things first, is there a common factor? No common factor. Excellent. 1, 2, 3 terms. We have a trinomial. Okay, but in this trinomial it is non-monic, meaning that this number out the front of the x squared is no longer 1. So as soon as I see the number out the front of the x squared is greater than 1, I circle it. I then circle the last term and I join them together. I call this earmuffs, my earmuffs method. And we have the first term times the last term is minus 12. So we're going to need two numbers that add to 4 and times to equal minus 12. In this case, these two numbers are positive 6 and negative 2. Okay, we then split the middle term. Okay, so the 4 we're going to split into these two numbers. So we have 3x squared plus 6x minus 2x minus 4. What we've done there is rather than having 4x, we split it into positive 6x and minus 2x. When you add those together, we still have 4x, so we haven't actually changed anything about that. Okay, what we've now created is 4 terms. And the beautiful thing about this is it works every time. We have 4 terms, so we're going to factorise in pairs just like you learnt to before. You take out the common factor of 3x, and we have x plus 2. If there's a minus there, we keep the minus there. Minus 2 outside of x plus 2. Lo and behold, x plus 2, we have x plus 2 is the common factor here and here at the front of 3x minus 2, and we are done. I wanted to do another example of those. So we've, of course, first things first, common factor. There is no common factor, so we're good to go. 1, 2, 3 terms. Of course, we see that it's trinomial, but it's non-monic. So we circle that, we circle the last term, including the minus, and we join them. So 2 times minus 3, we need two numbers that that multiply to give minus 6. We need the same two numbers to add to give 1. Oops, times to give minus 6 and add to give 1. Alright, let's have a think. It's going to add to equal 1, so one of the numbers has to be just bigger than the other one. That's going to be positive 3, and the other number will be minus 2. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6, minus 2 plus 3 is positive 1. Okay, we then split the middle term. We're going to take this, we're going to split it, the x, into 2x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 3. So when we split the middle term, we use these two numbers that we found. The x becomes negative 2x and plus 3x. If we were to add those together, we would be back at x. So we're not changing this in any way, we're just writing it so that now we have 4 terms and can use factorising in pairs. So to factorise in pairs, we have 2x here outside of x minus 1 plus, there's a plus there, so we put plus there, 3 outside of x minus 1. Lo and behold, good to go again. X minus 1 is the common factor outside of 2x plus 3, and we're there. Earmuffs, split the middle term, works every time. Love it.